Tidy's integration with Xero accounting means that when you make sales, purchases and adjustments to your stock in Tidy, your Xero financial records are automatically updated. In this module, learn how to set up the connection to Xero from your Tidy account. Head to your Global Settings tab and click on Xero. Click on Connect to Xero. This will take you to the Xero sign-in page. Sign in using your Xero details here. If you do not have a Xero account, sign up for a free trial to continue. Click Allow Access and you'll be signed in and return to TidyStock. As you can see here, there are 4 tabs that appear. Under General, you can select the Xero revenue, expense and asset accounts that you want to connect Tidy to. Under Tax Rates, select the revenue and expense tax rates that will be applied when you make sales and purchases in Tidy. The Tracking tab will appear with categories like region and customer type if you have set up tracking in your Xero account. I have not, so there is nothing in my Tidy Tracking tab. Lastly, the Branding tab is home to invoice templates, which Xero refers to as branding themes.